minus hate plus love plus happy
Oh, I see.
plus faith equals you.
Hate minus love is actually how you read that.
Mary said you subtracted from the top.
We are making
Swedish pancakes. They are delicious.
Gage is our co-assistant. I'm the one dumping the sweeters onto there.
Recipe, we'll have to
We'll put
show that
that
part.
in the link.
But it's 1 cup flour, 1 egg, teaspoon of vanilla, teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, 2 cups milk,
Coming from under there.
and a like 2 tablespoons of melted butter. You put it in a blender, you mix it up, and voila, you're Swedish.
And that's what you get. Nice, crispy, golden.
Yeah, then you prepare it with no, we
Gage,
don't.
take it.
We prepare it with lingonberries, which is a
Here, can I do it?
Yep. Which is a Scandinavian, kind of like a cranberry. They make it into a sauce. They sell it at IKEA. But you can also have it just with a little maple syrup. That's how I eat mine. Butter and powdered sugar,
No, it would be good, Dad.
or everything, all of the above. Like our kids like to have powdered sugar, maple syrup,
Yep.
lingonberries.
It's super good. You should have it. Dad, no, you
up?
should cover that up with some, because it's
See if
going to
I can
rip.
do that. Okay.
Yeah. So it's going to rip anyway.
Mary, fold it fast.
What?
Fold fast.
Here, I got it.
Sweeter.
Oh.
Is that a good looking sweeter or what, boys? It's raining lines, boys.
We got 5 sweeters. And this makes about 10 sweeters, right?
Something like that, I'm not sure.
I think it's going to make about 7. Maybe 10. Oh.
I think we're gonna land on the 8 or 9 mark.
Pause the video.
Good morning, sweet pea and bee. Give it a shake. All right.
There you go. And now the front says,
The best mom in
it
the world.
says minus hate plus love plus happy
Oh, I see.
plus faith equals you.
Hate minus love is actually how you read that.
Mary said you subtracted from the top. Anyways,
A
daughter is supposed to be daughter. I
daughter
don't
from
know
a
this
cool farm. We'll work on that. You've seen bigger mountains, that's true. No matter how big your mountain is, remember that God is bigger. Remember He wrote your story based on what you can handle. Remember that God loves you. Happy Valentine's.